Morph Cut. So, it's necessary to tell you about another useful transition, which is called Morph Cut. How does it work? Firstly, let's take a video or interview and make a few splices. The result is the row of splices that are considered a defect. The Morph Cut transition is located in the Edit Transitions, Dissolve Morph Cut in the Effects panel. We apply it to all the splices at once, setting the duration to 8 fps so that it's analyzed faster. We see the analyzing in background label on the frame. Now it will use morphing to try to turn one frame into another, so that there is no sharp splice. We can edit something else while we are waiting for the result. But if we want to render something, it will render the video with the analyzing label on the clip. Eventually, we need to wait for the result. At the end of the analysis, we got a very good result. And if we don't know that there is such a function, we may think that there were no splices at all. We got smooth transitions on the first two splices. And if we have a finely cut interview, then it can remove some of the splices. But it's not a panacea, and this tool works correctly with only half of the splices. Anyway, you need to know about this tool in order to work with 2 or 3 splices instead of 5 ones. Sometimes you can get other fun things using this effect. For example, if we have 2 different people that are shot on the same background, then we can use Morph Cut to make an effect of how one person turns into another. If you have completely different frames, Morph Cut may not be able to cope with this task, because it won't be able to distinguish between a person and other objects.